Hi everyone, it's Shelly from McPherson Arts and Crafts, and I'm here with Brenda and Shelly Marie, and we're going to introduce the new Jazzy puppet kits.
Well, this all started, about 2 years ago? Shelly brought in, she used to make them by the boatload back in the 80s. I don't know if you remember, they had the soft nylon dolls, and Shelly's been, what haven't you done? But anyway, and her and I have known each other since '89. She actually taught here at the store all different kinds of things, jewelry making, yada yada. Anyway, so Shelly brought in a sample a long time ago of this puppet doll that she made. It was a puppet pillow doll.
Yeah.
And it was a soft sculpture. And then one of our girls that does our social media, she's our social media liaison person, and she sent a picture of something and she said, do you think you could make something like this? And then Shelly brought in the thing and said, sure, like let's just look at how this was all put together. I used to sell them at flea markets years ago. And so we thought it would be cool to take our doll parts, our smaller version doll parts, and create a puppet. So then we got Jasmine, my daughter-in-law, involved, who actually, her and Shelly together created this body, and it has well, Shelly's going to show you all that. I'm sorry, I'm taking away your thunder here. And anyway, so we came up with this concept. So far we have 2 different faces that we're dealing with, and we'd like to get into fantasy and all kinds of neat things. So Shelly will explain to you all the different parts and how they work.
Well, I'm going to do that, but I'm also going to thank Brenda. She did an expose of this all.
Oh, in a magazine.
So
yes, Dolls Magazine, if you want to get that copy.
It was kind of nice little perk for me. Anyways, when you get one of these kits, what you're going to get is basically the made puppet doll body, and it has instructions on how to put this all together. There's a little pillow inside, and then what this pillow does is when you're not using it as a puppet, it stuffs it so you can actually
like a bed doll.
Like a bed doll.
Yeah.
And you can dress it, etc. And it's
it can sit. Can it sit,
nice,
Shelly?
Yeah, it can sit.
Okay.
So it just makes it a little bit more like a regular doll if you're not using it as a puppet. So there's a dual use for it. And with that, what you'll get is your head, full limbs, and of course you need the 1/4 arms because that's what makes the puppet. You need that extra soft area in there. And as I said, it'll all instruct you there. It's very easy to put together, no sewing required. All you need to do is put your strings in, and
show us how it works.